Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot using the back tap gesture on your Motorola Signature smartphone. To enable this feature, we're gonna have to open settings on this device, and then in settings scroll down to gestures, open this menu and select quick launch right here. Now, to test this feature, first we're gonna have to make sure that this switch is toggled to the right, then tap try it out, and then you're gonna have to double tap this area of your smartphone to test different strengths, and we have 3 different strengths. So if you gently double tap the this part of your phone, you will see gentle. Then if you double tap it a bit harder, you will see, okay, it's too hard. So yeah, so it was the third one, the third strength, and this is the moderate one. Okay, so once you have tried it, let's stop. Let's select the gear icon right here, then select the tap strength, the one that you that's the easiest one for you to use. For example, moderate tap, and then select take screenshot. Okay, and so right now we can start making screenshot by double tapping at this part of the phone, and we can do it in any menu basically. Though you're gonna have to learn to do this, because it's kind of a tricky thing. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.